sent to you, Drew.
Alright, go ahead.
Sending.
Send back.
Right, so now, Muckin, if you want to come back over here, this is going to be the sending plate. And go ahead and send when you are ready.
Send.
You can close it now, Drew.
Closed.
My bad.
All good?
Do you need help?
No, we're good. Yep, send it. She sent.
Yep. Sending it back. Okay, we're gonna have to bounce it a couple extra times now so that we can spawn residents.
There's residents in the middle. Come to middle for residents.
Yeah,
Well, I need it.
There's like a
I'm
shit
the-
ton of
I'm grabbing,
residents.
I'm grabbing one.
Okay, and I'm gonna close it right here. Alright, closed. Everybody to middle. And remember, let me finish this guy. Nope, okay.
You dead?
Yeah. Yeah, probably don't want to use supers on him, just so I can get ammo. For me and Squirtle, anybody that needs it.
That's it. There we go.
Much
Oh,
better.
Very nice.
Biggest brains.
Alright,
Sexy.
and
Right.
front right for quarantine.
Oh, I'm out of heavy. Ooh, heavy brick.
And everybody in the middle.
Right side again.
Quarantine is going to be back right.
Another heavy brick. Oh, it's Christmas. Another heavy brick.
Oh, good on me. Thank you.
Alright. Everybody in the middle for Tormentor.
I've got super for him.
Yeah, do you think?
Well,
Heavy.
Alright. Now, where HS Dude is going to be a sending plate.
Okay. Tell me when you're ready, Drew.
Okay. And whoever's in the room with the sending plate next to HS2, you can go ahead and send it.
No, this ain't it.
Yeah, got it.
Can you send it so I can see where the fuck it's going? Oh, is it down here? Yeah, got it.
Alright, sending right now. Sending to you, Drew.
Oh,
No,
God, I
I'm
have a high school here.
Try again if you can.
Sent back.
Okay, yep, I'm going to close it here, Squirtle.
Sending to you again, Drew.
Oh, thank you.
Damn.
Back.
Sending back to you, Drew.
Game getting slack on resonance.